What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the energy revolution system before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the energy revolution system works. What is energy revolution system? The energy revolution system is a groundbreaking product designed to provide individuals and families with an affordable, sustainable, and efficient means of generating electricity. Inspired by the pioneering work of Nikola Tesla, this system incorporates his innovative concepts, particularly the Bifilar Pancake Coil, into a practical, easy-to-build generator. With all the components readily available at local stores, users can construct their energy systems and drastically reduce their electricity bills. This product stands out in the market for its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike traditional solar panels or wind turbines, which can be costly and require extensive installation, the energy revolution system empowers users to create their energy solutions at a fraction of the cost. It is ideal for anyone looking to escape the grips of big energy companies and gain independence in their energy consumption. The system is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible even to those with minimal technical skills. Users can enjoy all the benefits of renewable energy without the hassle of complicated installations or ongoing maintenance costs. With the energy revolution system, you are not just purchasing a product, you are investing in a lifestyle change that promotes sustainability, self-sufficiency, and significant financial savings. Whether you are a homeowner looking to cut costs or a business owner seeking to reduce operational expenses, this system offers the potential to revolutionize your relationship with energy. How does energy revolution system work? The energy revolution system operates on the principles of electromagnetic induction and resonance, utilizing Tesla's innovative Bifilar Pancake Coil technology. At its core, the system is designed to amplify electrical energy, allowing users to generate significantly more power than the initial input. This means that for every watt consumed, the system can produce multiple watts of electricity, resulting in substantial savings on energy bills. When constructed, the Bifilar Pancake Coil acts as a highly efficient transformer. It captures energy from the ambient environment, whether from existing electrical sources or even from the natural electromagnetic fields around us. This energy is then transformed into usable electricity, which can power everything from small appliances to larger household systems like refrigerators and air conditioning units. The beauty of the energy revolution system lies in its ability to generate power continuously without the need for constant maintenance or additional fuel sources. Moreover, the system is portable and adaptable, making it suitable for various applications. Whether you need a backup power source during outages or a primary energy supply for your home, the energy revolution system can meet your needs. It is an ideal solution for emergencies where conventional power sources may fail, providing peace of mind and security for your family's energy needs. In essence, the energy revolution system empowers users to harness the power of innovation and technology, putting the control of energy generation back into the hands of the people. This transition not only leads to financial benefits but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle that is increasingly vital in today's world.